Hello students, the topic of the speech is Independence Day. Respected principal, teachers, parents and my dear friends, a very good morning to you all. My name is Aman. I study in class 3. Today, I feel proud to speak on India's 80th Independence Day. On 15th August 1947, India became free after many years of struggle. We thank our brave freedom fighters who gave us the gift of freedom. Our national flag reminds us to be brave, honest and united. India is a wonderful country with many languages, cultures and festivals. We may be different, but we are all Indians. As students, we can serve our country by studying well, respecting everyone, keeping our surroundings clean and helping those in need. Every small good deed makes our country stronger. Let us always love, respect and work for our nation. Happy 80th Independence Day. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thanks for watching. Drop a like and don't forget to subscribe.